Okay, so we got a praying mantis jacking a cicada, I think it's called. I don't know what these things are called, but look at this praying mantis. He's a boss. Look at the size of that bug he's got. He's gonna eat for a month. He looks like a stick. Man, that thing's so cool. Look, he's eating him alive. He's gonna eat the wing off of him. Look. He's eating his wing off. That is fucked up. That's so fucked up. He's gonna disable him by eating his wing. Gonna tear it. Here, can you even see this? It's not focusing. Focus, you fuck. Can you see it? Shit. Oh well.